Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, Today I will show you a program that generate and print all possible combination of n digit using digit 0 to 9. So yan. Now line 13, combination is equal to 0 is to initialize the variable to count the number of combination, and max combination is equal to 10 times n is loop through all the possible combination of digits 0 to 9 with n digit. And line 16, if for I in range, max combination is if the number is less than 10 raised to n, print it as it is. And line 17, formatted combination is equal to string I, Zafel, and is to print zeros in front of the numbers if necessary. Line 17. And line 18, print formatted combination. Combinations plus is equal to 1 is to increment the combination count. Def get user input. This function is to accept the number of digits from the user and accept only integer values. Prompt the user for the number of digits and validate the input. Returns int the number of digits entered by the user. Then this while true, try, and n is equal to input. Enter the total number of digits. Prompt the user for input. So this function is used to ask user to input valid integer number. So yan. 137. Accept value error. If the user enter an non-integer value, ask them to enter a valid integer. So ayan po, in this function, pag hindi po nag-input yung user ng valid integer value, so ayan po, piprint po siya ng print po siya ng invalid input and please enter a valid integer. So ayan, start time is equal to time.time. Get the start time. Tapos dito naman po sa line 43 na n digit is equal to get user input, is to call the user input function is to store the result in n digits. So ayan po. And sa line 47, total combination equal to generate combination n digits, is to call the function with the user inputted value and store the number of combination. And sa line 47 is to get the end time of the program that while getting the combination number. 49, elapsed time and is equal to end time minus start time is to calculate the execution time. Print the execution time. So ayan po, i-print niya yung total combination ng number based sa kung ilang digit yung in-input ng user. So ayan, print running time. So ayan po, ito po ipiprint niya po yung kung ilang oras ba nag-run yung program habang kinukuha niya lahat ng combination number based dun sa in-input ng user na kung ilang digit ba ng number. Ipilapse yung combination. So tatry po natin yung mag-generate ng kung ilang seconds and pang nag-generate ng so ayan, try po natin yung input ng 2. So, input po tayo ng 2. So, ayan. As you can see, there are total number of combination is 100 and running time seconds is 4.683165 and combination per second is 21.35. So, ayan po. Try naman po natin yung 5 digit. Kailan po yung mag-generate. So, ayan po. Pag 5 digit, there are total number of combination is 100,000. And running time per second is 5.1832 and 55 seconds. And combination per second is 19292.89. So, ayan po. This is our end of my video. Thank you for watching. So, ayan po, yun po ang end ng video. So, salamat po sa panonood. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.